east coast of the continent. Take care, guys. Have a great afternoon over there or evening. We'll catch us a bit later on.
How about at 304 Australia? Want to wave at you before you go. 304 791 Gulf Islands.
Oh, sorry, before I take off, who's the UDX station calling?
This is UDX 791 Joe out here on the Gulf Islands, North Pacific.
Hey, Joe, Gulf Islands. You could just drop down one, Joe. Oh, sorry, go 37, mate. 375, Joe. I'll say quick at 8.
All right, 375 QSY. How about at 304 Australia 791 waving?
Hey, good morning, Joe, or good evening, your end, mate. Gulf Islands in Canada. That's the strongest signal I've heard from in a while from you, Joe. You're +10, mate. Fantastic copy.
City of San Francisco.
Yeah, I got a good copy on you too there, 304. It's just after 2 p.m. here. 2 p.m. Thursday afternoon here. Beautiful day out here on the Gulf Islands. Don't usually get Australia this early, but you're booming in here.
Yeah, Joe, there's been a big blackout here the last 3 or 4 days on 11 metres, and some of the other bands as well have been very, very quiet, mate. It's good to see 11 starting to kick back into gear again. And there you are, out of nowhere, mate. It's about 9 a.m. in the morning here in Australia. And I've got red lights on your transmission, mate, so it's a 5, 9, 10. Good to hear some propagation finally again after a bit of a solar flare, I believe, that took the band out for a while. So it's good to see it back in action, Joe. Gulf Islands, back to you, mate.
Yeah, right on there, 304. Well, I'm glad you're getting some DX again here from the West Coast. I usually go down at 35 at night. That's when the DX guns usually starts to roll in from the South Pacific, but it's not often we hear you this early in the day. So when I was up there, I says, man, that's Australia coming in. And I heard somebody else too, and yeah, you're booming in here. I got you about 10 and 20 over.
428, welcome back. 143, SoCal. We're poking up a bit of a beehive on this one, mate. It's very, very busy here now. It's voices coming out of the yonder. So I'm going to keep it short for the moment, Joe, but I'll look for you in a little while, mate. Give me a couple of hours. I'll head back home and we'll see if we can fire up and get some more conditions into your area again during the course of your evening. We'll be looking for you, Joe. Always a pleasure, mate. Thanks for the call out on 39 there. Appreciate it.
All right, 304. Hey, cheers and beers, buddy. I was good to hear you out there. I am live right now in the radio room on the live gate, so I got a little video gate going here, and we are live on YouTube. So you made the gate, brother. Cheers and beers. Talk to you soon, 304. UDX 791 Gulf Islands. We're listening.
From the Gulf Islands down here in Sydney in the Southern Hemisphere. We'll talk to you a little bit later on, Joe. Enjoy the DX, mate. We'll catch you soon.
All right, take care, 304. And I hear you out there, 505 down there in California.
Hey, 428 Mobile, I heard you there, buddy. 505, you go that way out of Desert, Southern California. I'm waving.
We're waving at you, 505. You're shaking the radio room, too. I'm beamed towards the west. He probably doesn't hear